If your phone uses a physical SIM card, you'll probably be provided with a SIM card that looks like this. SIM cards come in different sizes, and this card, for example, includes 3 different size options: mini, micro, and nano, which is the standard card type for most Android phones sold in the last 10 years or so. To insert a SIM card into your phone, you'll start by separating it. The different size options are pre-cut, and you separate them by simply pushing them out. My phone uses the nano SIM, so I'll push that out. If I needed, I could go back and pop out the micro SIM frame instead, and then go back and align my nano SIM within that. The important part of the chip is embedded into the nano SIM, and the others are simply plastic frames that help you align the card into devices that have different size SIM slots. On the phone itself, you'll usually see a card slot like this. There's a little pinhole that's used to pop the tray open. You can use a paperclip or something small and strong to insert in the hole. A lot of phones will include a small tool for this. Push the tool in and then carefully pull the tray out, holding it from the center. My phone has a dual card slot that can also hold a memory card alongside the SIM card. The card slots look similar, but if you look closely, you'll see the outline is shaped for each card type. My memory card fits in the slot that's shaped for it, and the smaller slot is a perfect fit for the nano SIM card. Put the cards in and make sure they're on nice and flush. They don't exactly lock in, so you'll need a steady hand when you're pushing the tray back in. Make sure the tray is aligned the right way. The pinhole on the top is usually an easy way to tell which way it goes in. Then gently push it in. Don't use force if you feel resistance. Instead, try carefully wiggling the tray to find the correct angle to close the tray. If one of your cards comes off like mine did, just pull the tray out, insert the card back, and try again. Once your card is in, you're all set. You can see your SIM card and all the settings related to it under Settings, Connections, and SIM Manager. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.